Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up dual SIM on your iPhone. Now, if you have multiple different phone numbers that you want to manage on your iPhone, maybe a personal phone number and a business phone number, I'm going to show you how to have both of them, toggle one or both of them on or off at your will. Now, let's jump right in. First, just tap on the Settings app of your iPhone, and then tap on Cellular midway down. You can see if I scroll down, I have AT&T, and this is my first or primary phone number on my iPhone. Most likely, you will want to have dual eSIMs. However, if you want to have dual physical SIM cards, check to see if your iPhone has two SIM card slots, and then just physically put them both in. Now, on your iPhone, to add another eSIM, tap Add eSIM at the bottom. And from here, it will pop up with a Setup an eSIM menu. You can choose to transfer it from another iPhone. However, in most cases, you're going to choose Use QR code. In most cases, your cell phone provider will provide you with a QR code that you can scan to set up that eSIM. So tap Scan QR code and then just scan whatever they sent you. Or you can also tap Other Options. And then on here, go to QR code, tap QR code and enter details manually. So enter in all those details manually, essentially to be able to turn on or add that other eSIM. After you've added that other eSIM, you can go back out of here and you'll see multiple lines right here in the settings. You can always turn the line off by toggling it off right next to turn this line on. And you'll only have one line on at any given point. Or you can have both of them on by just tapping on it and turning on where it says turn this line on. Now, if you hop out of here and open up the phone app, you can tap on keypad, and when you do have multiple eSIMs, at the top left, you'll be able to see on there the ability to switch from your primary account or your primary line over to your work or business line, etc. You can easily toggle either one on or off, and then you can choose when you make calls, which one you're calling to or from, either your primary line or your business line or whatever it may be. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really enjoy it. Thanks, guys.